In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or install Grammarly extension to Google Chrome app. Use Grammarly on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can access the browser settings and the extension store without any delay. This process is quick and simple, and once Grammarly is installed, it can help you check spelling, grammar, and writing clarity while you type in many websites and online text fields. After Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by opening a new tab and visiting the official Chrome Extension Store page. The Chrome Web Store is where you can safely browse and install extensions that work directly inside your Chrome browser. It is always a good idea to install browser extensions from the official store so you know you are getting the correct version. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Grammarly. Type Grammarly clearly into the search field and wait for the results to appear. You should see the Grammarly extension listed in the search results. Be sure to select the official Grammarly extension so that you install the correct tool for writing assistance in Chrome. When you find Grammarly, open its extension page. You will see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click that button to begin the installation. Chrome may show you a confirmation pop-up with information about what the extension can access or do in your browser. Read through that message, then confirm the installation if you are ready to continue. After that, Chrome will download and install the Grammarly extension automatically. In most cases, this only takes a few moments. Once it is installed, Grammarly should appear in your browser extensions area, usually near the top right corner of Chrome. Depending on your browser settings, you may also see a small notification confirming that the extension has been added successfully. At this point, Grammarly is installed and ready to use in Google Chrome. If needed, you can click the extension icon to sign in or complete the setup so it can start helping with your writing across supported websites. That covers everything you need to know.